Hey everyone, welcome to the Cobol Programming, the complete course. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of Cobol programming. Now let's take a quick moment to understand what Cobol is all about. Cobol, which stands for Common Business Oriented Language, has been a cornerstone in the world of business and finance for decades. It's a robust programming language designed for data processing and business applications. Our course is structured to cover everything from the basics to advanced topics. We have got modules on program structure, data types, conditional statements, loops, file handling, arrays, subprograms, string handling, industry standards, and even a final project. So I can't wait for you to dive into the content from understanding the history of COBOL to coding standards and industry-based practices. This course has it all. So let's embark on this COBOL adventure together. Get ready to code, learn, and have some fun along the way. Best of luck and let's make this course a success.